The first one is I would like to share is on the DeepSeek V3.2. So this is a new model that related to just released a few days ago. Okay, let me also just search about that DeepSeek 3.2. Okay, so this is what they released, which is a few days ago. And what is the current benchmark of performance is that DeepSeek is actually comparable to GPT-5 High and even Sonnet or the latest Gemini 3.0 Pro. So you can see this is DeepSeek V2 and also the DeepSeek V2 thinking. It is quite like significant improvement and it's like on par with the GPT-5 High and also even equivalent to Gemini 3.0 Pro. So if you can see in here, DeepSeek 3.2 is actually 96 point, and also Gemini 3.0 Pro actually only 95 point. So we are having the best open source model that available. Okay, so I would like to bring this here. I think I need to have some space, so I would just oops. Oh, this one actually I would like to bring that to later a bit, but anyway. Yeah, I will focus on talking about DeepSeek first before moving to anything else. So the beautiful about DeepSeek is this is open source model. And because of open source model, it can be serving at a very cost efficient way. So it is the best open source model and it's also the best price performance. So what does that mean? So as you can see in here, in this chart, you will see that DeepSeek is equivalent to GPT-5 High and also Gemini 3.0 Pro. Let me search for you for just the pricing, OpenAI pricing GPT-5. Okay. Okay, so you will see that the Gemini 3, wow, where is the, okay, so this is, the model, and the current model of the GPT is output token is $10 per 1 million token. So this is the current price of GPT-5 High. So this is a GPT-5. The second model, which is Gemini 3.0 Pro. Let me search for that. Gemini 3 Pro pricing. Okay, this one is also the pricing of on Google side, and they will have the pricing on Gemini Pro. And as you can see in here, the output price is this one, between $12 to $18 per million token. Also, they have some different pricing. For example, like under 200,000 token, this is the price. If you have very long prompt and also long thread, it is this price. So this is also going to be very expensive on Gemini. So basically, what you can see from Gemini is between $12 to $18 per 1 million token. And I'm going to show you the price of DeepSeek, so you can also surprise DeepSeek price. This is 0.42 per million token. So we are talking about 20 to 30 times cheaper for a model that's comparable in terms of like intelligence. So I think I know what is the latest model that we should using for driving the day-to-day operation of AgenticFlow. And I also make it available. So if you go into AgenticFlow today, you will see that in your agent editor, in here, for example, like you can create a new model in here, test DeepSeek 3.02, news, best OS models. You can create about this one. and you can select this model in AgenticFlow powered. So DeepSeek Experimental, DeepSeek 3.2, and DeepSeek Speller. Those they are like 3 different variants. You can read more about them, but I also suggest that you will start with the DeepSeek V3.2, and it is kind of like the latest model that you can use. And this is going to be the new frontier. We are still going to pushing further on this, but the price performance is the best at the moment. And I don't think that anything that can beat this kind of price performance. So we can do much more things in much cheaper cost. And I strongly suggest that you should play around with DeepSeek V3.2 and see how this goes. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to put into the Discord if you had any question. No. On YouTube. Okay. Should be okay as well. All right. Just as, because right now only, DeepSeek company is providing the token. So sometimes it is quite slow comparing to other. I'm still testing on this one, but from the benchmark wise, it is quite, impressive for this model to do. But I will say, you will expect that the token responding is quite slow. But I think over time, because the best thing about open source is that more and more provider is going to to support. So it means the price is good, the throughput is also getting better, and also you can also do self-host as well if you would like to do it later. All right, I think so. That is something that I would like to share. DeepSeek 3.2 is great in terms of benchmark. The price performance is also the best, so you definitely would like to give it a try.